Very good morning, students. So now we are going to talk about the circulatory system once again. So friends, as you know that circulatory system is made up of only two parts. It has two parts only, we can say. One is heart and second is blood vessels. So how does circulation takes place? As you know that heart is a muscular pumping organs. It's pumped the blood into different parts of the body and tissue through blood vessels, and from the tissue deoxygenated blood through veins reach into the heart. As you know that heart pump the blood, and through arteries blood reach into different parts of the body. Again, from the body tissue collected through the veins and reach into the heart. So friends, blood vessels are play vital role in the circulation of blood. So now in this video lecture we are going to talk about blood vessels and their types. So number 1, arteries. Each artery consists of three layers. Outermost is collagen fibers, and middle is smooth muscles, made up of smooth muscles and elastic fibers, and inner layer of is made up of squamous epithelium, tunica interna or interna. So wall of arteries are thick and elastic so as to withstand the high pressure of blood coming from heart. Because of their elasticity, they can stretch and expand. So, arteries have high pressure. Blood flows with pressure in arteries. Arteries receive blood directly from heart, and larger arteries branches repeatedly into smaller arteries and then to arterioles, and next point is arterioles. Its branch further to form smaller vessels called arterioles. They have only smooth muscles fiber in the middle layer. So arterioles branches further into a capillary network. The capillaries, the numerous and smallest of the blood vessels, each capillary is above 7 to 10 mm in diameter. Extremely thin walled, and wall consists of a layer of endothelium. Endothelium is very permeable and allows diffusion to dissolved substances in and out of capillaries. So it does not allow macromolecules and plasma proteins to pass out the capillaries. Next, second types of blood vessels are veins. Capillaries convert into venules. After exchange of material in tissue and organs, the capillaries join together to form venules. The pressure in venules is very less. They collect the blood and pass it on to veins. Like arteries, the veins also have three layers of tissues, namely tunica externa, tunica media, and tunica interna. So they have much thinner walls and than arteries. They have less of muscles and elastic tissue in the middle layer. So their lumen diameter through which blood is far greater than arteries. So in veins, pressure is low and non-pulsative. Blood flows smoothly without jerk, and valves are present in the vein, but valves are not present in the arteries. Deoxygenated blood carry करती हैं, means to say that deoxygenated blood except in pulmonary vein. In arteries, most of the time oxygenated blood flow, but in pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood heart to lungs. It's carry deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. So this is one of the artery that's carry deoxygenated or impure blood. Other hand, pulmonary vein is the vein which carry oxygenated blood from lungs to heart. Lungs to heart, and blood reach into left atrium of the heart.